You ready?
Yep.
Okay, this is a crude prototype of enhanced CPAP with oxygen. So we have an air source, and that's a shop vac with a dimmer switch to control the speed and the pressure. And then we have a little controlled leak here to maintain a constant pressure from the shop vac. Then we have a welding tank, and we have a welding torch. Of course, the acetyleen's turned off. And we have a flow meter here. But we figured out about 70 psi with a 000 tip gives you about 10 liters per minute of oxygen, which is just about right for this device. And then we have an oxygen meter, so we can measure the amount of oxygen going into the patient. It's going to be me. And then this controls the outlet pressure from the mask over here. So we have a painter's mask that includes a check valve on this side where the filters normally would be, and then an exhalation valve here. And this way we can inhale pressurized air with oxygen in it from the air source, and we can exhale air that stays pressurized because we have this pipe underneath this column of water. And that way we can have the patient's lungs inflated with a device that's basically made from parts you can find at the hardware store. So I've already adjusted the speed of the vacuum cleaner with the dimmer switch. So now I'm going to turn on the air supply, and I've already adjusted the oxygen. So I'm going to turn on the oxygen supply. And I'm going to go ahead and put the mask on and start breathing here. So I'm getting about 40% oxygen. Notice I put a bacterial filter in the loop so I wouldn't inhale any bacteria. But basically, this system will provide the patient with about 10 centimeters of pressure inside their lungs and about 40% oxygen. And you're just going to have to replace the welding tanks pretty often.